manyererio irecherane nchinkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha. Nigo togo chaka kurwa sensemo ye chisemi mwaziri wa isemi Professor George Magoha nigo bona bereka gotare county au aseganga yokuligiria na kichiskuru chia berechi kwerobe lya sumuro lyo OCBC ensemo ya Nyanza niko jerobe lya sekerengo kimia asimia asogo chwekera ni morobe lyo OCBC litukulia lero Magoha ni gatarase county ya Kisii bagaya saigole birasi asiskuru ya baiseke yakereri ebyugo chikokonya umorobe lyo OCBC umurike itobene ndemo Steven na roboti rwa senchira yoboikerano.
Kale imeskuru ya baiseke akereri George Magoha nigaigora bene birasi ebi bya CBC bya junior secondary asagokera oboteneri bw'eskuru eyuere gatie chiskuru chibwata baro kigwa bange mono imense ya Kenya.
The significance of this school is that it's one of the largest schools in the country, which is best managed. You can hear that even though I'm here, there is no noise because the girls are in class. I think they have well over 3,000 girls in this school, and it is our pride that my region, which is the Nyanza region, is also now at 100%, following Central region together with the Northeastern. And it is a thing of joy to see that we have completed classrooms now for the CBC. We are approaching 96-97%. For junior secondary school, let us encourage our children to go to day secondary schools near where they are staying. So we must ensure as a government that even though we are living, we want to ensure that every child in this country has exactly the same rights, and that's why we are focusing on the counties that are still behind.
Magoha nigachikira balimo banene bechi skuru mbatwaro bwangu bwogo tomaka abana chibesa chia masomo school fees asate bire naine kibune serikali nenyare gotuma chibesa chieta myaga mapema elio chiskuru chiero belike boikeranu.
The hands are not equal. I have said that if you have to look for fees urgently, summon your parent teachers organizations, and they will be able to get the parents who can clear the fees so that you protect the weakest link. This government that is outgoing is going to ensure that the money for third term is available in schools well before the third term is open.
Obo koleri bwa Magoha se serikali ya Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta nigoborange koera ase Magoha egereiro botindi bwaye asobo teneneli.
I belong to the slightly coercive but very gentle group that are very firm. Some people like it. The majority of people like it because you can then see the results. Show us who has built 10,000 classrooms in 8 months. Is there anybody? Now if I say so, you will say I'm bragging. I'm not bragging. I'm just telling you that when we focus on something, then perhaps we can do it together. When you have an opportunity to serve, just serve. Don't bother about tomorrow. Because tomorrow you might not even be there. It is God who will decide when you are going to be there.
Nigo bono Professor George Magoha yoro mwaziri wechisemi anyalire gwakire koko bunagatie bintu biranyalire ko bagagoikerani buno mwaziri wechisemi na monokorosi gukwebirasi binge bya competency based curriculum CBC imechinsemo au imense ya Kenya. Kuripoti reta seni kia Ndizi TV kurwa igase skuru ya Kereri Girls kutoka ime bunge Nyaribari chache ime county ya Kisii Elietaliane Ndemo Steven.
Biamono muri